Hi folks, I'm Mark with Artisan Restoration, and today we're doing kind of an unusual restoration project here. Let me show you what that is. Well, we just restored my doors here, which got paint sprayed on them because they were rolled up when we painted the inside of the garage here, and finally got that done. That's my next project. My hovercraft needs a paint job. But anyway, these two old cupolas are going on the project I've been referring to as the last barn restoration for this year, in 2023. And we have been patching up bullet holes that were put in there from some young fellas, I presume, maybe some gals, shooting at the pigeons in the barn. And there's still a bunch of dents in here. You can see where the BBs hit on the inside here, but some of these holes were definitely from a larger caliber. And we got a little rot to repair. That clamp coming in handy like an extra hand, isn't it? Yes. Well, they fill up with hay on the inside sometimes, and the hay sits in there and holds moisture and causes the deterioration of the metal. So we've got to fix some of that, and then we're going to put them back up on the roof. And we're not actually going to cut an opening in the new steel roof because they're not needed for ventilation anymore. We're just going to set them over the opening, and they'll be simply for looks. So anyhow, we've got two of them like that here at the Sofa's house, down on each side of the driveway. Those were the original cupolas on this part of the house, which was an old barn at one time. And I decided not to put them on this new structure because they were in worse shape than the ones you just saw. So, thanks for watching, folks. We'll see you next week. Thanks.